And I scared Nicole this morning because I asked her if she had her speech prepared and she went white. So I told her all she had to do is stand up here. Nicole was nominated by Christy Foster, who is one of the managers over in casino housekeeping. She's been employed with the housekeeping department for close to 2 years, and she actually works up front as one of the coat check attendants. And the reason that she was nominated is she had a particular incident where there was a patron out front who was deaf and did not speak. And Christy went out of her way to go back and forth to try and find a cab for this patron so that she could get home. And the first cab company was busy, and so she made, for about an hour, trips back and forth from the front of the casino to coat check to call on the phone and back to the guest and with her pen and paper, and really made a difference to that guest. And that's definitely the kind of service that we want to see from all of our associates. And I really commend Nicole for going above and beyond. Thank you.